Hi, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you back to this channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in today's lesson, we look at another special case of simultaneous linear equation in fraction, as promised in my recent video. So, we have the special case too. Let's start. Now, the question says we should solve the simultaneous equation of which is same thing as this. Okay, now if you compare special case 1 and special case 2, you discover that in special case 1, we have the unknowns to fall at denominator side. But in this case now, the unknown falls at the numerator side. That means that the way we solve for special case 1 in my recent video is quite different from the way we are going to solve for this now. That is why you need to follow me on this channel, okay, because I'm putting it step by step, okay. Now, how do we solve problems like this? Good. The first thing you should take note of is the fraction. You have to find a way of eliminating the fraction. Now, from equation 1, let me combine and 2. So let's start with equation 1 first. In equation 1, the LCM is 6, which is you multiply 12 by 6. So if you do that, 6 bracket x over 2 minus 6 bracket y over 6 equals to 6 open bracket 1. So that this will cancel out 2 here 1, then 2 here 3. So you are left with 3x minus y equals to 6. That is equation 1 in linear form now. Okay, you do the same thing with equation 2. In equation 2, the LCM is what? 30. Multiply 12 by 30. You have 30 bracket x over 3 plus 30 bracket y over 2 equals to 30 bracket 1 over 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 6, 2 here 1, 2 here 15, 3 here 1, 3 here 10. So we are left with 10x plus 15y equals to 6. We call that equation 2. So when you combine equation 1 and 2, you will have 3x minus y equals to 6. That's equation 1. And 10x plus 15y equals to 6. That's equation 2. So now we now have a linear form of equation 1 and equation 2. So we can either use elimination method or substitution method. But the one that will be more easier for us is elimination method. Now we need to eliminate either x or y. So let's eliminate y first in this case. So to eliminate y first, the coefficient of y here is what? 15. Put the 15 here. Coefficient of y is what? 1. Put the 1 here. So 15 multiplied by 3x give us 45x. Then 15 times y gives minus 15y. 15 times 6 gives what? 90. And that's equation 3. 1 times 10x gives 10x. 1 times 15y gives plus 15y. 1 times 6 gives what? 6. That's equation 4. Now you discover that the coefficient of y now they are the same. So it's very easy to eliminate. But take note of the sign. The sign here is negative sign. The sign is what? Positive sign. That means they have different sign. And when you have different sign, according to the rules, I've explained all this before in elimination method. When they have different signs, you expect to add the two equations together. So when you add the two equations together, of which this is going to be out. So we have 45x plus 10x will give us 55x. 90 plus 6 gives what? 96. So divide both sides by 55 to get the value of x. So this will cancel out. X equals to 96 divided by 85. You can still take this back to mixed fraction if you like. Now, we've gotten the value of x to be 96 over 55. We have to replace back in any of the two equations, either equation 1 or equation 2, or even equation 3 and 4. But I always advise you replace back in the original equation given to you. So let's use equation 1 now. Replace x equals to 96 over 55 in equation 1. So equation 1, we have it as 3x minus y equals to 6. So that means anywhere we see x now, we put what? 96 over 55. So if I do that, I will have 3 bracket 96 over 55 minus y equals to 6. If you multiply this, 3 times 96 will give us 288 over 55 minus y equals to 6. So from here now, we can easily collect like that to get the value of y. So let me wipe up this part. Okay, so from that place, the value of y, we are going to have y to be equals to 288 over 55 minus 6. So if you look for the LCM here, you have 288 minus 55 times 6. That should give us 330 over 55. So 288 minus 330 will give minus 42 over 55. So therefore, the value of x, we have it as 96 over 55. And the value of y, we have it as minus 42 over 55. And that is all. So this is how to solve problems like this. Okay, so that will mark the end of today's lesson. But if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, watch this video to the end, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification to receive any update from this channel. I'll see you guys in my next class. Bye for now.